20 December 2024 muri yeZimbabwe ndadzoka zvekare nema updates nyaya dziri kuitika muZimbabwe. Zvino hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Nyaya iri kutangira panapa. Kwakaitika musangano wakanga wadedzerwa kuimba yavanoitira misangano yavo yeZANU-PF. Kwakaonekwa vice president akange asipo panzvimbo according to my pictures kana to mifananidzo yaibuda. Vice President Kembo Mohadi, Vice President retired General Constantino Chiwenga vakanga vasipo pama chairs. President Mnangagwa vanga vakagara vega. I don't know, maybe team repropaganda vachazoti pamwe vachazopedzera kuya, but isusu toziva kuti according to order ma vice president ndo angatotanga kutosvika. President ozoti asi ozosvika papaya. Hakuna pakunzi ma vice president avabate nguva. Muri yeZimbabwe kana watoona ndatoya kudai so chibva watoziva kuti kwauyiwa, because zvinhu zvina kumira zvakanaka. Kana uchiziva kuti unodedzera kuti pasi neZANU-PF, tanga nekulike this video right now kutira kuti ZANU-PF yacho iboikani. Right, regedzai tirove takadai so ndichangoti gaga because nguva ndo yatisina, asi nyaya tinadzo. Pari kubuda nyaya panapa iri kunzi ED plans to replace Mohadi with Mtuli Ncube. Nyaya iri kubuda nekuZim-ai ndo kuri kubuda nenyaya iyi, but pari kunzi nyaya yacho yabva kuna Baba Jukwa. Amene kana mchizi anonzi Baba Jukwa because yakanzi by Baba Jukwa ndiye ari kunzi abudisa nyaya. Those guys vakamboita mukurumbira vaya vachibudisa mamwe manyaya masecret kudhara pamazuva mugaba yaya. Waitongonzwa kunzi kwakati kuri kuti dai ninga tobuda, ninga ri meeting yakati, ninga ri kudai so zvinhu zvese zvo zvaiitika. So panapa ari kudzoka neimwe. Pari kunzi the winds of Harare are alive with whispers, a tale carried through corridors of power and shadowy backrooms. It is said that His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa is plotting a quiet reshuffle of his inner court, with the seasoned Kembo Mohadi standing at the edge of the political classboard in his place like a phoenix rising looms. Mtuli Ncube, the banker turned minister who guards the nation's coffers with a practiced hand. If the murmurs from the president's inner cycle are to be believed, this move is less about governance and more about trust, a sentiment edged in the currents of loyalty. Mtuli Ncube and steward of fiscal stability is seen as the president's man through and through. His ascent, it seems, is the culmination of a bond forged in financial strategies and sealed with the currents of unwavering allegiance. Yet a speculation swells. George Charamba, the president's trusted mouthpiece, remains conspicuously silent. His lips, often quick to swash or confirm, now seem sealed with the weight of political intrigue. From the lips of heavyweight insights of the ears of the press, this tale is traveled, yet no official confirmation escaped the walls of power. Saka manje variko kanozvitana mafira kureva kuti isusu tinongoerekana titongodai vanongoerekana varotomoka this time vakanyarara, because anozoti ana George Charamba imbudzi anonga achitodauka, but this time around I don't know kuti chii chiri kuitika. Akanyarara nyaya idzodzo, anenge achingoswera aripo paTwitter achingozhinya paX, kungozhinya ndo zvaanenge achingoita. Presidential spokesperson haasi kukwanisa kunge achiidairawo nyaya iyoyi iri kutaurika iyi. But mumeeting iyoyo yakaitwa yeZANU-PF, pari kuzonzi President Emmerson Mnangagwa warned senior ZANU-PF members on Thursday against misusing social media platforms to create divisions, discord and confusion within the party. Kana mavaziva, I think ndo the likes of Baba Jukwa, but avasiko ikoko anza muzvisiye chera ikakomba pasi musiyane nezvinhu zvenyu zvamunenge muchiita zvekubudisa information. Ako zvinhu zvese zvinoda kutozikanwa. Isusu vandoida kutoziva kuti chii chiri kuitika, zviri kubva nekupi zvichienda nekupi. Obvious zvinhu zvakadaro zvinenge zviripo. Ndisingapedze nguva panapa nhasi vari kunzi vaenda kuPrecab farm. Aya zvakaoma, venoti Precab farm yato isiko pamutembo kuti ndo inoshandiswa here. I don't know why kusingashandiswe zvinhu zvakaita sana sedzimba dzeZANU-PF dzacho kana kuti state house or something. precap farm ameno inenge yatoyestetera. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, has arrived at the precap farm in Kwekwe district, where he will be hand over the land tenure deeds. This significant event marks a major milestone in the country's land reform program aimed at aiye kuprecap farm munozongokomenda mega. I think zvitori important izvo zvikuti muzokomenda mega, but inini nhasi zvandinoda kuita da kusiyai muchiteerera. There is an audio iri panapa nhasi, da kuti musare muchiteerera munyasondiudzawo zvamuri kufunga in the comment section makadzikama. Kana uchinge une zvako zvekutaura, namba ndidzodzo dzinenge dziri pascreen, munoisawo maaudios muchindiudzawo anything chamunenge muchida kukomenda about zvinhu zvese zviri kuitika muZimbabwe. Sarai muchiteerera this audio mundiudzawo mafungiro enyu.
Arume, tambotaura ndikati nyika haitungamirirwi nemacriminal. Okay, I mentioned one of the dangerous people was in Zimbabwe before 1994. Stephen Chidumu, Edika Masendeke. Stephen Chidumu unobva pano parosere pasaka. Ukasvika pano panhemapo motokwidza semunoenda kwanyika uko, mototena pane chidust road chiripo chinoenda kwave kumabwe musoro kwaenda kwana Muroiko. Masendeko unobva apo paguta apo pamusoro apo pana nanhingiriki nawo anzi inonzi chinja topakanganwa, ndokwaanobva. Saka Mnangagwa, it's Edika Masendeke. Chiwenga, it is Stephen Chidumu. They don't care. How can they care about the citizen? You fail to give forgiveness. Former wife, the wife of the mother of his children, Mary Mbayiwa. Guys, munhu wese anoita mistake, but ZANU-PF, their mistake is too much. You have to understand that. Mnangagwa, I was laughing. 2017, hey, washimba, idipe mwanangu itipe mwanangu itipe, munoti mwanangu utipe, papi papa munotipe. Iyi mhuka asi president womuda kuisa munhu. Mugabe chaichai wakafataura kuti munhu uyu haiti uyu. Vanhu vakatora sekuti Mugabe kwanzi makore ake zvasvika kuma 90 something years is crazy. But what they not crazy was speaking true. Was speaking true. In other hand, in other speech, why Mugabe was removed with coup? Because of them. Because of them, why and say they was force him to rule Zimbabwe, but he was telling them, guys, we are loser. Let us give these young people they can run the country. But they refuse it. I do say, some of the houses, what are they broke down and what are they say, their criminality words. Those houses were not built with Zimbabwean money. People, they are everywhere. Even today, I put a audio. I say, why people, they are going to street to march for ZANU-PF? If you do something right thing to the citizen. He cannot go and march against ZANU-PF. If ZANU-PF will do something better to the citizens of Zimbabwe. Because they are marching and they are speaking behind them in a bad manner, in a bad speech. because of the wrongdoing. What are they do to the citizens? That one we cannot stop to say that, because I'm not eating man of ZANU-PF. That is why even you can see some young people, they are coming from Europe, they are landed here in South Africa. They don't go to Zimbabwe. Why? They know what is corruption. They take the amount of money what they want, because they are official of ZANU-PF, of ZANU-PF, not of Zimbabwe. They want to know how much are you bringing it from Europe. Then you have to use this one you have to give to the country. Now the country is my children now. You want to tell people the Zimbabwe is the children of Zimbabweans. Aye. Zimbabwe is the children of Zimbabwe, not Zimbabwe, it's the children of Zimbabweans. Now the tables, they are shifting their legs, they are looking up, upside down. The table is looking down. That is meaning what you're doing now to the people. You don't want, that's why you're forming that Zimra department. It's a criminal department. It's a criminality department, Zimra. It's a criminality department. It's a criminality department. Why are you follow people? They are leave the border in bridge border post. They are in Harare, Mashingo, Kwekwe, Chirezi, what, Mutare, Magokwe, what. And you are start to be to do door to door. Where you can go with that thing? What is the reason? What about the NGO food? What you eating, ZANU-PF? Now some ZANU-PF officials, they are eating NGO. Who can follow you to follow what? How much money of that NGO food? What you getting from South Africa? Yes, ZANU-PF is that. Oh, ZANU-PF official. All the ZANU-PF official, they are eating the NGO food. Where is the receipt? Show the citizen where is the receipt. Because you want to tell the people, yeah, we are ZANU-PF. When Mnangagwa, did you last to go to the shop to buy a bread in the shop? Mnangagwa, when? And his personal money. When? Because we put this with the name of Mnangagwa because it's a leader. You fail to control his people. You fail to control the people. To say this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong, this is right. Yesterday was broke down, the house of the people. Now you want to, it's December time, you want to break up the food of the people. You want to not give to them. That's why I say these guys, if you hear about Chiwenga and Mnangagwa, they are fighting. It's a social media. They want to catch what is your point of their reaction about them in Chamisa. They want to do that because they want your reaction. What are you thinking? What are you can say about Mnangagwa and Chiwenga and Mohadi? Then they want to see where the table moving goes. With this table, it's moving to this side or going this side or going this side. It's a game. It's a part of their game. They are not starting today to do this thing. Even Mugabe still was alive. There was do that story. There was did that. They are pretending like they are fighting. They are not fighting. How can a criminal, they are stealing every day together? At the end of the day, they are releasing about the story about their fighting. Who says so? Who know that is truth? If they are fighting in a reality fight, why if they are calling for the emergency meeting, everyone is there for ZANU-PF? Why they don't say, no, I'm going to go because I'm not, I'm have some arguments with Mnangagwa. It's a trick. It's a trick to close a prop or a lead to the bottle. Some of the bottle you have to start to press, then you can close. These ZANU-PF people you have to press. They have to press you guys. They are pressing you, and they are know now what is your reaction, what is your opinion to them. Then they are so, oh, everyone, you love this young boy. They are no longer love us. What can we do? Let us make, it's a game. It's a part of the game. Mark my words, it's a part of the game.